Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix sorry this media file appears to be missing on WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, update WhatsApp. The first thing you need to do is to update WhatsApp to the latest version. This is because the old version you might be using isn't supporting the media files you received. Follow the steps to update WhatsApp. Go to Google Play Store. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Number 2. Allow WhatsApp to download media. This might be the reason why you can't retrieve media such as photos and videos. Follow the steps to let WhatsApp download media using a mobile network or Wi-Fi. Launch WhatsApp. Click the three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings. Click Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, tap when using mobile data and select Photos, Videos, and Documents. If you're using a Wi-Fi network, then go to When Connected to Wi-Fi and select the same options. Close WhatsApp and launch again. Number 3. Check your internet connection. One of the most common reasons a download isn't working is because the internet speed isn't fast enough, or you're having issues maintaining a stable connection. WhatsApp may notify you that your download has failed or the download simply won't push through. Try refreshing your Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi option off, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.